Okay, day 23. Finally, the last day of the trip. We're going from Toledo, Ohio, to the best destination on the journey, home. About 550 miles. Yeah, this is the longest me or Andy have ever been away on a trip, so it's been a long time, and it's good to finally be coming back home. But then again, the trip went fast, and we saw a lot of things, and it was pretty interesting. Our bikes did really well for the whole trip. They even handled the gravel roads going up to the Salmon Glacier. It's about a 20-mile gravel road. And the road construction on the Alaskan highway handled that pretty well. My new windshield did great. I can listen to my Spotify playlist at highway speeds with my visor up, and it really helps time pass. I downloaded about 2,000 songs, and so I had them even when I didn't have cell service, which was good. Also downloaded all the Google Maps, so I had directions for the whole trip, and that was great. The new mount for my phone right above my dashboard worked out well. Stayed on great. Never had a problem with it coming off, and it was great to have my phone right there to be able to see directions and change songs. The camera mounts also worked pretty good. I didn't use my GoPro, which was usually strapped to my helmet, because the Insta360 did all the work and took all the videos. I think I said before, for most of the wildlife, we used our iPhone cameras more than the Insta360 camera, because it picked up the animals better, and it's easier to zoom in and focus from far away. So yeah, we just ran into a little bit of that wildfire smoke, but it's another gorgeous day, mid-70s, partly cloudy, no wind, great for riding. We went through a big boring stretch of the Ohio Turnpike, and finally now we're into Pennsylvania, Allegheny Mountains on Route 80. So looking forward to a good last part of the ride. And that's it. I don't know what we're going to be doing next, but hopefully something fun. I don't think it's going to measure up to this trip, but we'll try to keep it interesting. See you later. Bye.